Hi, my name is Joe and welcome to Medical Azul. Managing urinary incontinence can be difficult for a caregiver and for the elderly. One of the underlying issues of incontinence is UTIs, or urinary tract infection. The elderly are at a higher risk of getting UTIs for multiple reasons. They don't drink enough fluids, so the fluids don't clean out the toxins in the bladder. Also, incontinence products such as incontinence briefs, pull-ups, and catheters aren't changed as frequently. You might be wondering, what helps a urinary tract infection? Or, is there a natural treatment for a UTI? Today, I got you covered. Barley water. Barley water is great for the elderly. It's a diuretic, but unlike coffee, it helps clean out the bladder and the kidneys. It also contains high fiber, which can help with constipation, and also it helps lower blood sugar levels. So today, I'm going to show you a natural treatment for a UTI using barley water. Let's go. First, we're going to start off with a pinch of salt, then around a teaspoon of honey, and then what you're going to get is pearl barley. It's easy to find at your local grocery store. I spent like $3 on this. You're going to need 1/4 cup of it. You're going to pour the barley into the 4 cups of water, and you're going to let it come to a boil. After you put the flame to super low, what you're going to do is put a cover on it and let it sit for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of letting it sit on a low flame, here is what your barley is supposed to look like. You can eat it, however, that's not our point for today. Now we're just ready to strain it and ready to go. But I just want to give you a reference of what your barley is supposed to look like. Now we're going to pour in the honey. I would just like to add a little bit for a little bit of sweetness and texture. Then we're going to add a little pinch of salt to bring out the barley a little bit. And then I like to stir it in the jar. If you prefer to do it in the pot, that's fine too. But however, I like to strain it before I add the honey and salt. There you go. Alright, now that we have the barley water ready, you can serve it like a hot tea or a nice chilled beverage. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also, for any medical supplies or incontinence needs, go to medicalazul.com. Thank you so much. Cheers.